Hi everyone, this is Paula Foss, and today I will be demonstrating Fastone Capture. This is a screen capture program that goes beyond your basic snipping tool. This demonstration will go over the many key advantages that Fastone Capture has versus Microsoft snipping tool. During our time today, we will walk through the options such as delayed capture, capturing a scrolling screen, inserting arrows into the document, highlighting with neatness and ease, one-click document creation such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, and adding text to the snapshot. Have you ever had an issue that you needed to communicate to your IT department? I know I have. And the best way to raise the issue is usually to provide screenshots and detailed explanations. As you know, the more detailed and clear this is at the beginning, the less clarification needed later, leading to quicker resolutions. A win-win all around. So let me show you how you can achieve clearer communications while using the many features of Fastone Capture. First, we open up Fastone Capture, and you'll see that there's a small menu screen that appears where you can choose from many options. There are various ways to capture the screenshots you desire. One of the great features that allows you to line up an image before taking the picture is called a delayed screen capture. We can find this under the Painter's palette and bring it down to where it says delay before capture. For this instance, we're going to choose 1 second. Now that we've done that, we need to choose the type of screenshot that we want. Let's focus on the scrolling window, as this is a much more advanced feature than what you would see in a basic snipping tool. Now that that's done, we'll scroll on the web page. This will allow it to capture the entire screen. And the Fastone editor opens up. You'll see many features here, options where we could make many changes to this screenshot. And we're going to click on the draw icon, which brings up more additional features. Today we will click on the arrow as we want to point out to our IT team where we're having our issue. So we're having a problem with our button here, and I want to put an arrow. This arrow can be expanded, reduced in size. We can also change its color and make it a solid line instead of dashes. Now that we've pointed out the button that we want, let's go ahead and highlight it for emphasis. Now, we have two highlighting buttons. One is a line highlighter, and as you can see, this is an item that you would find in a basic snipping tool. However, it can look sloppy, especially if you have handwriting like mine. So we're going to go ahead and erase that, because we want this to look neat. And choose the rectangle highlighter instead. This, as you can see, is a much more precise way of highlighting, and you're able to expand or reduce its size, giving this a much more professional look. Now that we've got the arrow and the highlighting, I think it's time to add some text to our screen so that we can show the IT department what it is that we're having problems with. Okay, so we've put some text in explaining that the button is not working on this web page. I think this is sufficient for what we need to do. And we can click on OK. This brings us back to the previous editor screen where we can now export this by one click to many different types of documents. We can create a Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, and even send it to the web if we desire. In this case, we're going to choose to send that to Word. Now you can see that this has been exported to a Word document, and as if any other Word document, you'd be able to put in more text to explain anything further that you would like to. And we can also add this as an attachment to an email. Here you can see we've added the document to an email that's going to be sent to our IT department. Overall, this is a very quick way to communicate our needs to our IT department and prevent a lot of back and forth emails trying to explain the issue that we're running into. I think you might agree that the ease of use of this program and its many features allows for quick adoption of this helpful tool. With its many advanced features both highlighted in this demonstration and all of the additional ones that we haven't gone over, you'll see that this is a much more valuable tool than your basic Microsoft snipping tool. I want to thank you for your time today in exploring Fastone Capture. If you have any questions on additional functionality of Fastone Capture, please reach out to me at foss.paula@gmail.com.